Use on when something is touching a surface, and use above when something is higher but not touching. Number 1, the book is blank the table. Should we put on or above? Since the book is touching the surface of the table, the answer is on. The book is on the table. Number 2, the lamp is blank the desk. Which one works here? The lamp usually touches the desk surface, so the answer is on. The lamp is on the desk. Number 3, the bird is flying blank the tree. Should we use on or above? The bird is higher than the tree but not touching it, so the answer is above. The bird is flying above the tree. Number 4, the cat is sitting blank the sofa. Which word should we choose? The cat is touching the surface of the sofa, so the answer is on. The cat is sitting on the sofa. Number 5, the picture is hanging blank the fireplace. Let's think, on or above. The picture is higher than the fireplace, but not touching it, so the answer is above. The picture is hanging above the fireplace. Number 6, the phone is blank the bed. Which one should it be? The phone is resting on the bed surface, so the answer is on. The phone is on the bed. Number 7, the helicopter is hovering blank the building. What do we say here? It is in the air, not touching the building, so the answer is above. The helicopter is hovering above the building. Number 8, the shoes are blank the floor. Which word fits? The shoes touch the floor, so the answer is on. The shoes are on the floor. Number 9, the clock is blank the doorway. What do we use here? The clock hangs higher than the doorway, not touching it. So the answer is above. The clock is above the doorway. Number 10, the plate is blank the kitchen counter. Which one works best? The plate rests on the surface, so the answer is on. The plate is on the kitchen counter. Remember, we use on when something is touching the surface, and we use above when something is higher but not touching. That's the main difference. Simple, right? Now, I want you to try 5 more questions on your own. Think carefully, decide if it should be on or above, and then check your answers later. And that's it for today's lesson. Thanks very much. I'm Nelson. See you next time. Bye.